In a world filled with vibrant colors, there lived a bunch of happy crayon sprites. This world was known as Crayon Town, where every crayon had its home. They would jump and run on the canvas every day, creating beautiful pictures. One day, Red and Blue became good friends. Red, with her fiery enthusiasm, was always full of energy. Blue, on the other hand, was calm and wise. They decided to create a new painting together. Red excitedly said to Blue, "Let's paint the sea together. I will draw the waves, and you can draw the sky." Blue nodded and replied with a smile, "Sure, Red. I will paint the most beautiful blue sky." And so, Red started to jump around the canvas, powerfully drawing one wave after another, just like real rolling sea waves. Blue stood quietly on the other side of the canvas, gently swaying and painting a deep blue sky. Suddenly, Red stopped. She looked at the canvas and said, "Blue, I think the waves need to be more colorful. I'll ask Orange to help us." Blue nodded in agreement. Soon, Orange joined them. With his warmth and vibrancy, he added a beautiful orange hue to the waves. The three crayon sprites worked together, creating a spectacular ocean with rolling waves and a clear blue sky. They looked at their masterpiece and smiled in satisfaction. Red joyfully exclaimed, "Look, we did a great job." "The ocean looks so real," Blue agreed. "Yes, Red. Our collaboration was fantastic." Orange jumped with excitement. "Together, we can create the most beautiful pictures." Every corner of Crayon Town was filled with laughter and color. The crayon sprites used their wisdom and passion to create one beautiful painting after another. Red, Blue, and Orange became the best of friends in Crayon Town. They explored together, created together, and enjoyed endless happiness. Their friendship was as colorful and vibrant as the paintings they created. The crayon sprites were not just friends, they were a team. They worked together, each contributing their unique skills and colors to create something truly special. Their artwork brought joy to the entire Crayon Town, spreading color and happiness. One day, they decided to create a sunset. Red painted the fiery red sun, Blue painted the calm blue sea, and Orange painted the warm orange sky. The sunset was so beautiful that it seemed like the whole Crayon Town was glowing. The crayon sprites worked tirelessly, creating one beautiful painting after another. Every artwork was a reflection of their friendship and teamwork. No challenge was too big for them, for they knew they could rely on each other. They painted the seasons, the mountains, the rivers, and the stars. Every painting was a story, a memory they shared. Their friendship and creativity were the colors that painted their world, the vibrant Crayon Town. As time passed, the crayon sprites grew even closer. They shared laughter, joy, and even tears. They learned from each other, grew with each other, and created beautiful memories together. Their paintings were not just beautiful. They were filled with love and friendship. The crayon sprites were a true testament to the fact that teamwork and friendship can create something truly beautiful. They were an inspiration to all the other crayons in the town. Their unity, their creativity, and their vibrant paintings brought joy to everyone. They were not just crayons. They were artists, friends, and a team. Every day was a new adventure for them. They explored new ideas, experimented with different colors, and created new stories. Their journey was filled with color and joy, just like their paintings. The crayon sprites were a symbol of unity and creativity in Crayon Town. Their friendship was a beautiful story, painted with vibrant colors. Their journey was a testament to the power of friendship and teamwork. They proved that when we work together, we can create something truly beautiful. Their story was not just about painting. It was about friendship, teamwork, and the joy of creating something together. The Crayon Sprite's story was a colorful journey filled with joy and creativity. Their friendship and their beautiful paintings were a beacon of happiness in Crayon Town, a reminder of the beauty that can be created when friends work together. As the sun set, painting the sky with a beautiful hue, the Crayon Sprites looked at their latest masterpiece, their eyes shining with joy and satisfaction. They knew that tomorrow, they would create another beautiful painting, another memory. They looked at each other, their hearts filled with gratitude. They were not just friends. They were a family. Together, they had created something truly beautiful, and they knew they would continue to do so, one painting at a time. As the stars began to twinkle, they smiled at each other, their hearts filled with joy. They knew that they had created something truly special, not just in their paintings, but in their friendship as well. Their story was a colorful tale of friendship, creativity, and joy. And so, the Crayon Sprites, red, blue, and orange, continued their colorful journey, painting their world with vibrant colors and endless joy. Their friendship was as beautiful and vibrant as the paintings they created, a colorful testament to the power of friendship and creativity. Every day was a new adventure, a new story, a new painting. They knew that together, they could create something truly beautiful. And as they looked at the twinkling stars, they knew that their colorful journey was just beginning.